Hello, I'm Sarah. I am the owner of SMORL'S. It's a family business with my brother. We do it together and we are in the open market, Brighton. So here we are at SMORL'S. We've landed in front of our beautiful array of salads and I've got a pitta here and I'm going to make the signature SMORL'S Biggie Smorls with a pitta. SMORL'S hummus. We make this on site, spreading the love. Usually add a little bit of iceberg in the bottom and some pickled cabbage. This pickled cabbage has got sesame seeds in as well, so it gives it a little extra zing, delicious, crispy, nutty flavour. In goes the SMORL'S hummus falafel. Tahini, the magic tahini. You can't have a falafel without a lemony, fresh tahini. Chilli and lime. Then we've got the almond tapenade. This is made with roasted almonds, coriander, shallots and lemon. Pop in a little bit of extra tomato there. So basically we're just layering it up so that when you bite through, you get a little bit of everything, and we finish it all with some tamari seeds, sunflower seeds, and that is your Biggie Smorls. So I'm hoping you've got a good appetite.